Welcome back in. Still forecasting a significant storm system that'll bring us some strong winds. And while we will see some snow, it is likely to transition to rain Friday evening and Friday night. But impacts are likely, especially with those powerful winds followed by a drop in temperatures. Right now, our temperatures are in the mid-30s, although it feels considerably colder when you factor in that wind. There were a few areas of snow and even some ice pellets earlier. Most of that is now shifted off into the snow belt region of eastern Ohio into western Pennsylvania. Tomorrow's forecast will feature a round of snow showers early in the day that could leave behind light accumulations. And yes, it is going to be another breezy day with the winds coming in out of the west, southwest, possibly gusting over 30 miles an hour at times. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. A brief burst of snow is possible late tonight through daybreak Thursday and could leave behind light accumulations that may slow down that drive a little bit. Through late morning, though, those snow showers push off to the east, and the majority of the day is going to be dry, cloudy, and very windy once again. After that, our focus shifts on this alert day storm system. What has changed is we are looking at a transition to rain that may cut into snowfall totals considerably. What we are still focused on, though, is the wind potential with this system. Now, Friday afternoon and evening, there is still a burst of snow that could leave behind a quick inch or inch and a half of accumulation. However, look at this. As we get some warmer air that filters in, we are likely to see that rain snow line shift well to the north of the viewing area. What that means is we could see some cold rain and also some powerful winds with this system. On the back edge of the storm into Saturday morning, there is the chance that we change back over to snow, and we could be talking winds gusting 50 to even up to 55 miles an hour. So even though it won't be a ton of snow, what snow we do get could blow around and reduce visibility, especially in those rural areas. All right, so what are the chances we get a decent measurable snow, or at least 2 inches? This is our plowable snow chances, which are far greater to the north and to the west. Areas like Hillsdale and Lenawee counties are almost guaranteed to get that 2 inches or more of snow. Now, across the Toledo metro, better chances are going to be in the northwestern suburbs like Berkey, Sylvania, Metamora, out towards Fulton County and Williams County, where there's a 40% chance of that 2-inch threshold. Right along the Maumee River and southeast, the chances go down drastically as some of that rain cuts into snowfall totals, and locations like Sandusky, Norwalk, Fostoria, and Tiffin only have a 10% chance of getting that 2-inch plowable snow. Now, winds are going to be one of the primary impacts out of this system. Tomorrow's winds could gust to 30 miles an hour out of the west southwest. Friday morning is actually going to be fairly calm. However, Friday evening into Friday night, as that alert day cranks up, look at some of these wind gusts that may be in excess of 50 miles an hour with some powerful winds with this system. Again, keep in mind that round of light snow early tomorrow could leave behind light accumulations. Friday into Saturday, we're focused on the strong winds with that system. Light snowfall, however, it could be more impactful than the snowfall totals suggest. And behind that, a pattern shift that'll usher in some much colder temperatures. By next week, we could be talking temperatures briefly dipping below zero, and this will be the coldest air that we have felt in quite some time.